That's right, I'll stand near the train.
We're already recording, mate.
This is York Railway Museum, and if you've never heard of it, well, we are going to look around it.
Hey, is that a big train, or are you just really small?
I'm just really small.
Please don't climb. This is Henry Oakley. Shall we go look inside it?
Yeah.
Crazy working conditions. That's the Evening Star, Class 9F, 251 built. Absolute beast of a train. It just looks really, really heavy, and I know that's obvious to say, but
I mean, it looks like a bully, isn't it?
I reckon this, if this was a transformer, this would be a bully. It'd be a bad guy for sure. Is that on the turntable? It looks really nice.
But we don't know if it's a class 26. Starts at 26.
I suggested it were 26 because the number starts 26 and I don't know what I'm doing. However, when you look to your left here,
Duchess of Hamilton, baby.
that just looks... Imagine seeing that on a train track, mate. It looks like something out of the Fallout games. I didn't see what this one was, but that is a massive wheel. Look at that bad boy. It's built in Doncaster, apparently. Let's go find its information. So it's called the Stirling Single No. 1, designed by Patrick Stirling. Pause and read if you want, but to bullet point, it has a large wheel for performance.
It's massive.
It's what? I'm just over 6 foot, and it's like it's got to be an 8-foot wheel, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean,
I think if I read right, it was one of the first trains to go from London to Aberdeen with an average speed of 60 miles an hour. It is a fine looking thing, to be fair. Quick bio there. Pause and read in your own time. Oh my god. H spent the morning swear blind there was a class 20 here, and oh my god, there's a class 20 here.
when I go home, I'm gonna do a class 20 live.
You can do a class 20 live stream. Wow.
This is what it looks like in the game, like literally.
Are you telling me that train sim
Has the exact same camera.
made a simulation of a class 20 and looks the same? That is
it's
incredible.
the exact same. Definitely.
Excuse my sarcasm.
And guess what? Look over there. Over there.
Look over there, what is it?
Class 47. Yeah. Everyone loves a class 47.
They look better on the track, don't they? And what's that one? The Mallard. No doubt when we do H's top 3 trains in this museum later, that's going to appear somewhere in the top 3. Going to have a quick glance at the Mallard.
This is literally the same cab as Flying Scotsman.
Ah, it's quite roomy though, isn't it?
It's the same cab as Flying Scotsman as well.
Is it a similar class?
I don't know.
No, it's majorly different design, isn't it?
Okay, guys. So Flying Scotsman is an A3, and this is an A4. So I don't think it's...
Feel free to fact check us there. This has got a carriage on it as well. Shall we look at the carriage? Hey, do you come in?
Yeah.
Good lad. Obviously designed by Mr. Sir Nigel Greasley. Quick read yourself. This was the carriage used to record the speeds for like the Flying Scotsman and the Mallard when they did the world record runs.
Okay, so look at this picture. If you know what these trains are, so this one's a class 40, class 45, 47, 47.
I know, that looks like a 37.
What? Which one? No.
You sure it's a 45?
Yeah, I mean, they look very similar, but then.
Oh, I'll give you that one. I've got a feeling we're going to walk through this in a second. Oh, let's see. We didn't come here to sit down though, did we? Walking through the Shinkansen. Killed that pronunciation there, my bad. Just a little view of the cab. It's quite high up.
I see, Daddy.
I will pick you up, Henry. Give me a second.
I mean, I wish we could go in, but we can't.
The Shinkansen. I did kill its pronunciation, but H is like, I've got an idea, Daddy. We'll do this for the thumbnail of the video. This is going to be the thumbnail, mate. Henry, do you want to jump in? You want to give a cheesy little smile with your brother? Can I have a silly smile? Close enough. I'm not sure what this is, but you can see for it's massive. It's really big, isn't it? Let's go find the card. It's a right tank looking thing. It's massive. Again, I'm not sure what's with the gaps. It's the KF7. I was right. It looked big. It's the biggest one ever built in Britain. Largest one in the York Railway Museum. Oh, please don't climb up, mate. No. There's a barrier there for a reason, pal. That's the, I know you tried to see, mate. I'm sorry. It's massive. Look how high it is. Ah, this is where we end up going to see the little model railway on right. I bet we get stuck in this room for about half an hour.
Do you see that red train? That's a class 52. It's a class 52. The class 52 looks really good, doesn't it?
It does look good, mate. No, you can't have one today.
Oh yeah, that's a flying Scotsman. There's a little train coming.
That's my Scotsman. The ball of my
H.
I got ball like Scotsman.
Wow.
We've got a train coming up, eh? There's train more coming.
That's a my Scotsman come.
That's like that's cool. If you haven't seen my HST video, that will be fine with what I had.
There you go. Another train that I've got a feeling's going to appear in his top 3.
Okay, so in train number 6, this is what it looks like.
This one on the turntable. Just found the sign for it. It's an electric train, one of the first.
Wait, so is this...
Good looking D class there.
This one looks a bit like the Full Castle, a little bit.
Better shot at class 20. North Shed, absolute thousands
Okay, guys, guess what?
of things in here. Memorabilia, donated, stored. H, there's that many things in here. You can pick 3 things. 3 things that are going to be your favourite, okay? I actually don't need 3 things because there's these models here and they're amazing.
I wish I had that one.
My lad, that looks good, doesn't it?
Don't like that. I don't have this.
I have missed one out in the middle because this one, which H tells me is a 55 Deltic, is actually a real one here. It's a good looking thing as well, isn't it?
Does anyone know what the train's called?
Is it a 55 Deltic?
I literally told you the plan.
I know, I've just literally said it over there. I've just ruined his moment. I'm such a bad dad. It's not a 3.7. It's probably not going to pick it up here, but its engine is a beast. It's just a carriage. But there's a tiny part of me that's really sceptical that trains are ever smooth enough for this level of clutter on a table. It seems like a normal name for what I'm assuming is a Welsh town somewhere.
Dude, this is an engine. What is this for colour?
That didn't work.
What train is this? Does it have enough?
I'm not sure, mate. They have so much random things in here.
It's kind of like the Titanic.
It's a twin screw steamship. They do a signalling school here where they do little exhibitions of how the signals work. There's the 2026 timetable in case anyone cares. Not that I've ever been to it because we've never timed it well enough.
The first one that I like is a 55 Deltic, and this one is my second.
Stop.
I've got a feeling this red light, green light is the third favourite thing he enjoys. They're arguing over it now because there's a switch on it and they think the switch changes the light, but I think it's on a 20 to 30 second timer. Oh, it went again. It's definitely on a timer. Try telling kids that. Should we go to the viewing platform?
Yeah. Is it for it? It's a double coach train. That might be a class 150.
This is the Sprinter that I was telling you about this morning, where I'm sure it's in Scunthorpe somewhere. That's the one you can ride on. You can do the driver train experience. But we'd have to sell a kidney to do it, I think. York Station just there. Super timing that. Good shot of York Minster there.
It's funny there.
Oh. Just kidding. I honestly thought you were going to scream, and you did well, mate. I'm super proud how brave you were. H, your top 3 trains.
Number 3, class 20. Number 2, Mallard. Okay, now number 1, 47, we always lose. 4 hours to mention class 20.
It's a good picture, that, isn't it? That's a good picture of a class 20 as well.
And that's a picture of class 220. What's that one? And that's a 450 of a class 444, and that's the 800 one. This might be a 225. That's a good picture, that.
Some nice ones, isn't there? We've seen that one a few times.
225.
Doncaster and Leeds, haven't we?
225, yeah.
Now, off to Station Hall. New way into Station Hall. It's the first time we've been since it's reopened. Yeah, I think this used to be the back way, because that's that mini little railway there, look. Yeah, this is the back way. I don't know if you remember, you were about 2, and there's a little train track out. It's a normal sized train track, but they had a little train on it, and you used to just go up the line and back. I don't know if you remember that, you were really young.
Oh, this connects to the yard. Oh, I missed going here because we had to wait 2 years.
Oh my god, here's a sub story. It was closed for 2 years, mate, but the new glass panels, it looks a little bit like Locomotion. You know that one we went in Shildon, we saw the Flying Scotsman. Should we go inside and have a look?
Yeah. I missed it like so much.
This way. I'm guessing we're going to have to show our ticket again.
There's a bedroom? Oh my god. There is a bedroom. Cool. How on earth is there a bathroom? H, what do you think?
I'm good.
Yeah. I've got this one. So just try to climb on this. This is quite cool. Fibre.
This Gladstone. This travelled over 1.3 million miles
Oh.
when it was in service. I only know that because there's a plaque over there that tells me.
Yeah, I know. Look at this. Look at the cylinder box. That's quite big for my foot. Look at the front of it. Okay. It's bigger. Wow. It's cool. Guess what? Look at this here.
Can we look at some of this?
Cool. This one's a bit long. Stuff in the cab. See what your debt is enjoy. Ooh, but does anyone know why they have this? I don't know what this is. I believe this is the reverser. And if you let me just zoom in, and that is the regulator. That's not really good enough. Okay, then the thing that here has got LSWR. LSWR. Oh, it's got a weird name. View of the front. All the way down. Let's see if we can have a look in the car. It's cool. Okay, so apparently you can go in here. This is like a caravan. I mean, this looks like a caravan, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, just, oh yeah. Oh, look how luxury this is. It's like the Titanic. Oh. Yeah. Oh. It's like a little restaurant place. Look at that over there. What's this? Okay. I've zoomed to zoom to. Wow. Yeah, I think is this one ooh, what's this one? Is this a Mark III coach? I'm not quite sure. Okay, right here we've got a class 87. And if you, because I seen he's in train small 6, that's why. And plus, if you actually want to buy one in train small 6, they're in the shop. Cool this.
Oh no!
Harry, this is one of those brake fans. This is one of those we went on the Flying Scotsman, they were pulling these, weren't they, at Shelby?
These Class 87s look so cool. Oh, wow, let's get on the platform. Okay, now these 87s have 39 notches. They're kind of different to our trains now, but it's the best I can do. I mean, it says these doors will not open. Cool.
H has just asked me, what does it mean when it says these doors will not open? H, honestly, did you try and open them?
No.
I tried, they definitely don't open. Alright, again, the Class 87 electric train. Go on, mate, try handle. Oh, I really thought he was going to try the handle. Yeah, Mini H, you tried the handle, pal. inside the Class 87. Do you reckon that little lever there's the horn? You know it is, don't you? Oh, I reckon this was a post office one. Oh, it is, look at that Les. That's where everyone's lost mail is over the years. Still waiting to be delivered, no doubt. Yeah, it was. Very exciting.
Okay, so this is the last bit. And also Min H is so angry that
He's having a meltdown because he's hungry, bless him.
yeah. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Out.
Like and subscribe, guys. He's just doing a proper walk off. Shall we go get something to eat? Come on.